10:20 a.m. Homies asked me to come on a little bit of a run. A little bit. Huh?
Give it a little rev.
Oh, a little rev. Okay.
Let's see how it sounds.
Won't even let me put it into neutral. There we go. The cops over there.
He got in his car real quick.
Oh, he's reversing. Yeah, he did get in his car real quick, huh? Fuck, we attached it.
What happened?
The feds are coming.
The feds are on.
Ay, 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 ay! A little Malibu run! Oh, what?
What?
We're just trying to chill, man.
He's parked on the sidewalk and you guys told me that I can't do that. What? He's parked on the sidewalk. There's two feds.
There are two feds. Look at the color on this thing. You got an exhaust on this, huh, Rex?
What?
You got an exhaust on it?
Yeah.
Nice. With the carbon seats and the ooh. It looks so light, like under gas station lighting. It looks like a crazy light green or gray.
In dark, it like you can't really tell the difference between Nardo and this.
Come on, man. Nardo.
I really need to wash my car.
Whoa. Look at all that. Used and abused. Little animal.
I am more than that. I will. Did you add that? The splitter?
The splitter, yeah.
That looks so
Dude,
good.
it looks better,
yeah,
right?
I was like,
Fuck
I
yeah.
did not notice that the first time.
Thanks, man.
That with the lowering totally changes the front end.
Yeah.
There's like a slight scratch on the thingy.
What? On what? Oh my god. I think I remember when I did that.
But the rim is good.
I know, right? That's crazy. Did I fucking do this one? Oh, I did a little bit.
Fuck it.
Fuck me. I feel like a woman.
Yeah. Dude, this car, these are 20s. 21s on the rear, 20s in the front.
And we fixed the gap?
Yeah.
Sheesh!
Like, honestly, some HREs would look good on this.
HREs, you say?
Yes, sir. Alright, be careful for a little bit because the cops are around.
Yeah. They're out and about. They probably did a little call to their friends, huh?
Yeah.
Be like, did a little look out for these sports
Look out for
cars.
these ninjas.
I'm literally just gonna cruise. There's not, I mean, there's no corners to go faster anyways.
Yeah, PCH is chill, so we should be good.
I think we could all not use the ticket.
Nikita,
Yeah,
drift this.
I'm tapped the fuck out right now.
Wait, did we just hear Nikita say I'm tapped the fuck out right now?
On tickets at first, so tickets, so clip that. On tickets, bro, I actually have, like, I'm
God,
like,
that's scary.
Dude.
I'm a ton of license, dude.
Yeah, no, I know.
Paying for GT3 monthly payment and not be able to drive it, dude.
Yeah, no, that's a real kick in the balls. That's literally a kick in the balls. What is that?
So
Is
you
that a
don't want
pump?
your insurance to go to, like, fucking the roof. Yeah, it's also gonna do that.
Spaghetti villa.
Nothing like driving next to the ocean, boys. Oh. Nice, the heaters, baby.
Yes, sir. Get our butt cheeks nice and warm. Nobu.
Fires. Pepe.
Yeah.
here?
Yeah, like somewhere on PCH.
Shut up. No way.
Yeah, he was going like 100 miles an hour.
What
And
the
he
fuck?
lost control of his car. And there was 4 girls like outside of a house.
Just like chilling there?
Yeah, just chilling there. He just like fucking murdered them. Yeah, it's fucking crazy.
Did he live?
He lived.
Wow, that is crazy.
And then he posted bail like 2 hours later. I think it was $4 million or something.
Oh my god. What was
And
he
then his
doing?
lawyer was like, "Oh, someone was chasing him. That's why he was running." You know that shit is straight cap. You know, like that shit is straight cap.
What if that'll even get you off? You know?
Huh?
Well, is that even a valid excuse? You know?
I guess that makes him speeding more excusable.
I guess.
You know, if someone is chasing you, yeah, you can run away from them. I guess. But you know, killing 4 people.
Jeez.
It's warmer here than it was in the mountains.
Yeah, for real.
He was gonna do some shit. So he did it. Do you think if we like went straight into the ocean right at this speed, we would skid along it?
Oh, like a skipping rock?
Yeah. Because we'd be like kind of like, you know, we wouldn't just like plank down, I feel.
Right, right.